Hello everybody. This is Bitcoin chart, and we're looking at the daily time frame. Bitcoin hit its peak. That was last year November. That's November 7th or 9th, and it's in that's April 2022. It touched the trend line, and it reversed. That means it pulled back. It kept falling up until $18,000. That's $18,000 range. It moved back to 25K. Now we're at a critical point where Bitcoin wants to move back to 22,000 or 24,000, because right now the dollar is weak. So this is just a short-term update, because this is the main trend line that has been follow and that Bitcoin has been following. So for it forming a double bottom here shows that this support is very strong, because the first time it hit the support at this level, it bounced back up here also at this region, and here, and even here also. So what we're seeing is we're seeing Bitcoin go back to 22,000 or even 24,000, and even maybe even 25,000. But this is short time, because we are seeing the dollar being weak, because of because of rate hikes. And since the rate hike is somehow like cooled off, so investors are trying to find support. You understand? But this one is based on trading. If not, the dollar is bullish. It's bullish. And when you look at this zone, the dollar has been on a buy trend from April 2021 up until this zone, and this is a very strong support at this region here. So for me, I think the dollar will drop up to this region here, then it will move back up. So on the overall, the dollar is bullish, Bitcoin is still bearish. But short term, the dollar is dropping. Let's go to this is the monthly time frame. Let's go to the weekly. This is the weekly. So we expect the dollar to fall up onto this region, or even up to this region. So that's what we're expecting. That's why Bitcoin will rise a little bit. To rise a little bit. But one of the things we know is the Fed is still gonna increase rate. So we're gonna see more, that's another 20 or another 50 basis or 75 basis points in November. And again, they have another meeting in December. So we'll be watching what the Fed will do, because now Bitcoin and the dollar is more correlated than even the stock market now. For me, I think Bitcoin is decoupling from the stock market. So where I'll know that Bitcoin will be, where I'm seeing that Bitcoin will reach 12K is because the dollar has to reach the 1,000 region. The 120 region, which is at this point here. The last time the dollar hit this region, it started selling. So what we're expecting is, in the future, or in the near future, this is a head and shoulder pattern. This is the left shoulder, this is the head, and the dollar is trying to make another top here, which will be like a double top. Then it will make another right shoulder here. So this both the long term and the short term update. For now, the dollar is weak, but it will rise again. So the dollar, because anytime there's crisis, the dollar is strong and other assets are weak. So that's why we'll see Bitcoin rise to 25, or even that's to 25k, 24, 25k for the short time, then it will sell back, then it will sell up to maybe the 12k region or even 10. It depends on how the dollar hits the 120 range. It might hit, it might not hit, but it must hit this region here. It must hit this region here for the dollar to sell. So this is a very strong support, and it has to respect it. Although this perspective is based on trade technical analysis. Thank you for watching. Thank you.